Hey everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today we're tackling a super quick and easy iPhone hack, how to change the name of your personal hotspot. So you might have noticed when you go into settings and then personal hotspot, there's no obvious option to actually change the hotspot name. That's because your hotspot name is directly linked to your iPhone's name. To change it, head back to the main settings menu. Scroll down a bit and tap on General. Then, at the very top, click on About. This shows you all sorts of info about your iPhone. But we want to change the name, right? So tap on Name at the top. Now you can rename your iPhone. I'm going to call mine MagSafe for this example. Once you're happy with the new name, just hit Done. Alright, let's head all the way back to the main settings menu again. Go back into Personal Hotspot. If you don't see Personal Hotspot immediately, you might need to go to Mobile Service, and then tap Hotspot there. To confirm the change worked, you should now see the new name of your iPhone in quotes. Mine says MagSafe, just like I said it. Now, sometimes other devices might not immediately pick up the change. If that happens, just toggle your hotspot off and then back on again. That usually does the trick. If it's still not working, a quick restart of your iPhone should definitely update it. And that's it. A really simple way to customize your hotspot. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please smash that like button. And if you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. I'll be sure to check them out. Optional, mention personal experience. This is what I use when I want to share my internet connection with my laptop on the go. Don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. You can find all the relevant links in the description below. Thanks for watching.